Good day everyone, so welcome to another video. In this lesson, we will discuss operation of integers, but we will just focus on multiplication and division. Okay, now first, let's define what is an integer. An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero. Integers do not include fractions or decimals. Now, here's the rule for here are the rules for multiplication division. So, pares lang sila. So, kung ano bang rules ng multiplication, ganun din si division, no? So, ang sabi, kapag pares ang sign, positive result. So, meaning, if the signs of integers are the same, the answer is always be positive. So, ibig sabihin nun, na pag parehas pong sign, laging positive ang sagot. So, paano? So, example, positive times positive is positive. Then, another one, negative times negative is positive. So, laging tatandaan, basta pares ng sign, under multiplication, lagi po positive ang sagot. So, example, for positive 4 times positive 3, positive 12, and another one, negative 4 times negative 3, positive 12. So, ganun lang po yung rule ng multiplication and division. Basta parehas ang sign, sagot lagi ay positive. Now, ito naman, in terms of division, positive divided by positive is positive pa rin, and negative, let's have this one, 12 divided by 3, that's positive 4, and you have negative divided by negative, the answer always be positive, and the example of this one is negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. Now, paano naman pag magkaiba? So, ang sagot lagi ay negative. So, different sign, negative result. So, paano po yun? So, negative times positive, negative, or positive times negative is negative. Basta tatandaan, magkaiba ang sign, sagot lagi ay negative. Okay? So, example, negative 4 times 3, that would be negative 12, and 4 times negative 3 is also negative 12. Now, in terms of division, wala akong pagkakaiba, parehas pa rin po yun. Kasi, kung ano po ina-apply sa multiplication, ganun din po sa division pagdating sa rules of integers. So, positive divided by negative, negative, magkaiba yan. So, example, 12 divided by negative 3, negative 4, and another one, negative divided by positive is negative. So, example natin dyan, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Para mas malaman at para mas ma-master natin yung rules ng multiplication and division, let's have practice exercises. So, let's have this one. 6 times 7. Again, huwag kayong malilito kung bakit parenthesis, bakit multiplication. Because sa algebra, ginagamit na po yung parenthesis as serve for multiplication. So, 6 times 7, that would be positive 42. Both positive, kailangan positive ang sagot. Negative 6 times 5, magkaiba ng sign, the answer is negative. That would be negative 30. Magkaiba ng sign, so sagot natin ay negative. So, 10 times 10, negative 100. Next, parehas ang sign, negative 3 times negative 4. So, pag parehas, ang sagot lagi ay positive. So, that would be 12. Next, 18 divided by 2. So, in this case, parehas ang sign. So, division. So, that would be positive 9. Very good. Next, magkaiba na naman ang sign. So, just perform 150 divided by 3. Since magkaibang sign yan, dapat negative ang sagot. So, 150 divided by 3, that would be 50. And since magkaiba, that would be negative 50. Next, negative 6 divided by negative 2, parehas, i-divide yung dalang integers, parehas ng sign, the answer always be positive, so 6 divided by 2, simply positive 3. And that would be the wrap-up of our discussion. So, I hope marami tayong natutunan or naging klaro na yung rules ng multiplication and division. So, huwag kakalimutan mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe sa ating munting channel. Yun lamang po. Thank you and God bless us all.